I'm Phil Kaufman, and today I'm going to show you how to do a basic Lightboard recording. It's very simple. The guidance is posted right here on the wall, and so let's just start with step one. Log into the Podium PC. We move on to step two, which is launch Panopto in Login, which is right here on the desktop. Now that I've logged in, the guidance here says optional PowerPoint can be used to overlay and annotate slides. I'm not going to cover that in this demo, but if you want to learn how to do that, just click the link in the table of contents. All right, next it says if using slides, go to step 3. If not, go to step 4. So now we're just going to jump to step 4. Step behind Lightboard and follow steps 5 through 9 to set the camera and begin recording. Now that I'm over here, step 5 here says on camera controller by marker tray, which is right down here. It says press up down until shoulders are even with the white arrows on the side of the 55-inch LCD screen. So if I go here, oh, I'm a little too high because I can see the top of the Lightboard in the 55-inch screen. So I'll drop that down and it just looks right there like my shoulders are even with that. Step 6 says just press record. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to grab my marker, but I'm also going to make sure I'm looking right at that red light underneath the camera. That's a great focal point. When you look at that red light, let your viewers feel like you're talking right to them. So now I just press record. And I'm starting my presentation. I'm going to give you a couple of quick tips for using the Lightboard. First of all, number 1, don't forget to smile. The second one, number 2, I'm just going to say no lettering. Because remember, if you wear lettering, it's all going to appear backwards. Third thing, no black clothing, because if you wear black, you're going to look like a floating torso if you wear black pants, or a floating head if you wear a black shirt. Right. The fourth thing you're going to want to remember is step to the side. A lot of times people, when they do their first video, they instruct from right here. You want to make sure and write on the side of your dominant hand, then step to the side just like I am. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and hit stop. I look up at the board, it says step 9, return to PC and follow wall guidance to upload recording. And step 10, in Panopto, enter session name, then click done. My video has now been uploaded to the server, and the guidance next tells me after the video processes, you'll receive an email with links to view, edit, and share that video. You can see right here, it says your video is ready. So if I just click on that icon, and this is that video I just created. Now, if I want to make a quick edit, I'm just going to click this pencil icon here in the upper right, and this is going to open the Panopto editor. Okay, it's a web-based editor. You could do this in your office technically. It all happens in a web browser. You can see right down here, I've got my timeline. So I've got these little squiggly lines or the audio waveforms. I can trim the out point, can just pull that in, just click and drag, or I can trim off some of that dead space on the front of my video. Very easy to do. In addition, over here, you could add a table of contents. So those actually become chapter markers for your video if you want to do that. You could add an in-video quiz, you could embed a YouTube video, or you could insert some hyperlinks here in the table of contents as well. So now that I've made my changes, I'm just going to click apply and click OK. That's going to reprocess. Then, right from this interface as well, I can click this share button. The guidance here tells me you want to set this to anyone at your organization with the link. Click save, and then I can just copy and paste that URL and share that with whoever I'd like to share it with. Finally, step 12 says to wipe off the Lightboard when you're done. Go ahead and sign out of the computer, and don't forget to hit the lights on your way out. If you'd like to learn how to overlay PowerPoint on your videos or use that 55-inch LCD screen as a teleprompter, go ahead and click the links in the table of contents. Thanks for watching.